Tip and P.
Welcome. Today let's learn the names of wild animals. Let's get started.
Chameleons.
Chameleon, any of a family,
Chameleons.
of chiefly arboreal, see arboreal
Chameleons.
sense 2, old world lizards with prehensile, see prehensile sense 1, tail, independently movable eyeballs, and unusual ability to change the color of the skin.
Fox.
Fox, any of various carnivorous, see carnivorous sense 1, mammals, especially genus Vulpes,
Fox.
of the dog family related to but smaller than wolves with shorter legs, more pointed muzzle, large erect ears, and long bushy tail.
Ostrich.
Ostrich, a swift-footed two-toed flightless red-typed
Ostrich.
bird, Strutiocamelus, of Africa that is the largest of existing
Ostrich.
birds and often weighs 300 pounds. Bye-bye.
Panda.
Panda, a large black and white mammal,
Panda.
Ilura melanoluca, of chiefly central China that feeds
Panda.
primarily on bamboo shoots and is now usually classified with the bears, family Ursidae. Bye-bye.
Penguins.
Penguin, any of various erect short-legged
Penguins.
flightless aquatic birds, family Sphinicidae, of the southern
Penguins.
hemisphere. Bye-bye.
White tiger.
White tiger, or bleached tiger is a pigmentation
White tiger.
variant of the Bengal tiger, which is reported in the wild
White
from time to
tiger.
time in the Indian states of Madhya Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal and Bihar in the Sundarbans region and especially in the former state of Rewa.
Wild dog.
Wild dog, any of various undomesticated
Wild dog.
genus, such as an African wild dog or a dingo, that resemble the
Wild
domestic dog.
dog.
Bye-bye.
Wolf.
Wolf, any of several large predatory
Wolf.
canids, genus Canis, that are active mostly at night,
Wolf.
live and hunt in packs, and resemble the related dogs. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to support yourself by like and sharing videos. And subscribe to the channel to receive new videos. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.